here. This is something you're just going to have to customize for your own. Finally, watch some videos. I saw different options. I've decided to mount a piece of angle iron here, and I'll mount the scale here on the inside right here. And then things you got to look at for is where you can mount the bracket out right here. I got something there in the way, but I found a spot for it. So I'm going to go ahead and mount it right here, and then once I get that mounted in, then we'll go ahead and indicate it and get it all indicated in. So let's go ahead and start with mounting it. So what I want to do is I won't bore you with this, but me indicating an angle will probably take me just a little bit. But basically, the manual says you want to get within 0.02 of an inch. I'll try to get under 1,000. Basically, I want to indicate from here all the way down here, that face, and you're going to indicate right here too, within that number too, within under 0.02 of an inch. So I'll play around with that, get that indicated, and I'll bring it back, and what we'll do is we'll mount the bracket and mount to the reed head. I'm just going to run it up and down a little bit there for you so you can So we seem to got that axis there dialed in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work on the front to back on this. Or, I'm sorry, we're going to work on getting this here running parallel. Okay, YouTube, I got it this way within 1,000. Right at 1,000, I mean. So here we go, just to show you. And it looks like my drill died. Let's hand crank it then. Okay. Alright, I don't know if I'm cranking all the way up, but I got most of the way up just to give you an idea. Okay, we're going to see that this is within the thousands, so let's take it down. It's all the way down. And let's refocus that for you guys. It's right on 0 at the top. 1/1000. So supposedly it's supposed to be good within 2,000, so we're right at 1/1000. That's good enough. Okay, you two, I've decided to mount the guard here, and the reason I have decided to do that specifically was so that I can figure out how to wrap this thing around here and mount this. So we're going to mount the guard here first. It's a little out of order how I normally do it. So. Okay, I went ahead and mounted the bottom screw off camera, and I'm going to put the end caps on here, and we're going to figure out how we're going to do this. Okay. So, gotta figure this out. Put my little spacer in here. The space is at the appropriate, I think it's like 3/32. I can't remember what it is. It's in the manual, but this spaces it out correctly. So. There. Can't quite figure it out, but I'm going to right now. So I'm going to put my bracket right up here, and then I'm going to figure something out here how to do this. So. For a center punch, I want to drill and tap. One option I thought about doing And one option may be to cut this, mill it down, and do something like that. Kinda like that idea. And then mount that there. I may really like that idea, actually. Let me think about it here. I think that might be what I do. Okay, YouTube, I finally figured out how I wanted to fabricate this. So, went ahead and fabricated it. So there are screw holes here on the side. We're going to screw this into here. I probably over-engineered this, but this is what I came up with. Basically, I've got two angle brackets. I'll get this in and then I'll put the spacer back on. Okay, that's snug and secure. So next, we're going to put this on. And we'll put these screws in lightly. This thing doesn't seem to want to stay. Like I said, it puts it at the perfect. It puts that perfect space. That's why I like to use it. Okay, so we got this in here. Let's bring this up here. Next thing I'm going to do is put these side screws in. I need to go get a couple. Okay. Sorry. Okay. That one in. Get the other one in here. And then we'll tighten these up. So, like I said, that little plastic thing's a good spaces out right. So I'm just gonna put this in here. And I'm gonna snug that up. Like I said, I probably over-engineered this, but I had the screws. You got these, there's screws on here too, so I'm gonna go ahead and lock these in as well. Okay. Now let's get this snugged up. Snugged up. I might need some longer screws there. Yeah. So we take this out. I'll do that later. So, alright. Next thing I'm gonna do is see if this goes up and down with no problems. Put some oil on the ways. Alright. So that leaves us with connecting the DRO up, which we're going to do here. Then we're going to check it out. So, alright, on the connecting the DRO, this right here obviously plugs into the X-axis, and it's a small Phillip head opening. We're going to screw those in. Okay, turn it on. And we'll see if this is rotating here. Okay. So let's get you up there so you can see that. There you go. Let's see if we're getting movement. Yes, we are. Okay, that does it for the X installation. Thanks.